back to my channel. I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to show you how to wrap your hair in a turban style using a long sleeve cotton t-shirt. First thing you're going to do is to take your long sleeve t-shirt, make sure the side that you want out is the one that's not touching your hair, because I had tied a turban one time and I was like, I don't really like how this looked. And then I looked at my shirt. I have a side with holes on this side, and then I have a side that's smooth. I want the smooth side to be on the outside, and I want the holes to be on the inside. So this part of the shirt is what's going to be touching my hair, okay? So the side that has the holes or whatever you don't want showing, you're going to put that on your forehead. Okay, so I have the holes part of the shirt on my forehead, and then you're going to bring it, the corners of the shirt, to the nape of your neck. So you're going to take two corners and you're going to connect them. I like to overlap them to give them a bit of a closed feel. So you're going to overlap the corners right here at the base of your neck. Okay, so I have the holes on the inside going to be touching my hair. Put it on my forehead. I like to go around my ears, but you can go over your ears. It's up. Sorry, it's up to you. And I like to pull mine really, really tight. The tighter you pull it, the more it'll stay secure, okay? So there is the outside of my turban. No holes showing, the holes are inside. This is a fitness shirt that I only wear in the winter time, so I don't need it right now. Next, I'm still pinching the nape of my neck, the two corners from the bottom of the shirt, under my hair, in the back. Okay, flip it over, and you'll have your two sleeves, one on the right, one on the left. Bring one sleeve, try to cover as much hair as you can. If you don't get it all, that is okay. That's why it's good that you pick a shirt that is stretchy and that the base of the shirt is wide. The wider it is and the stretchier it is, the easier it will be to cover your hair. So I take one sleeve. I like to go around my ear and then under my neck. We got our two corners pinched at the bottom here. I'm going to switch hands and pinch, and I'll have my other hand free to cover this side. There we go. Okay, now I grab both sleeves and we're going to do a crisscross. It doesn't matter which way, which crisscross you go. There's your crisscross, and then we're going to do another crisscross in the back. Always pulling, always stretching the shirt. Okay? Then here comes the fun part. You're going to find folds to tuck the sleeves in. The more you tuck, the more uniform and seamless the turban will be. It won't look like a t-shirt. Found one, so we're going to tuck it, always pulling. The tighter it is, the better. And we're going to tuck in our hair. Kind of use the folds to tuck it in. All right, then the same on the other side. Just tuck, tuck, tuck. The more you tuck, the better. Here's a piece that's the end of the sleeve. We're going to cover that. Here's the collar right here sticking out, so we're going to cover that. And these holes, which is what I was hiding before, so we're going to just find a way to cover that. Well, that kind of looks like a collar too, so let me see. I'm going like this. Nope. Just got to keep playing with it. Be creative. This is all your style. So whichever you're comfortable with, and then you are good to go. Yeah. Got the nice wrap effect here, nice and high, and there's the back. There's your turban. Enjoy. Thanks for watching so much. Remember to like and subscribe, and more videos are to come. Bye.